So here we are in Burbank after a great night at the Elks Lodge, getting ready to head out and go toward Arizona and Quartzsite. But we saw something that made us stop and take a double look, so we wanted to share that with you. So come with us.
You always wonder about the job market in the different towns, and you know, also kind of what types of things around Hollywood here catches people's eyes, I guess. Is that the right way to say this?
Makes them get a good morning chuckle.
It sure did for us.
Michael thinks I have a new job, a career path.
I think she got a career path right here. So you want to go out in front and show us?
Da, 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 da.
Here we are. What is this? Topless entertainment. Maids, strippers, waitresses, party bus, virtual reality.
Party.
And show us what shows the top. Go in front of us there.
Oh yeah, oh, the top.
No, over the top. Take a look at the top. What does it say?
Now hiring.
Now hiring. What do you think?
I think Michael's trying to leave me in the city of angels. Not staying.
I don't know if it's angels. And by the way, if you're interested in the number, up on the other side.
844, it's right here.
Right here. Call 844 So Dirty.
Get that scrubbing power going.
That's right. So, when times get tough, honey,
the tough get going.
the tough get going.
They're all over the place too. We saw two of them just when we turned around.
Just going down to the next exit to get back here. So there was another one right there. So these people are thick as thieves.
They're making their money.
Money, honey. And good morning. We are here in Blythe, California. Grace says maybe not so much. Actually, I'm going to correct that. We are in Blythe, Arizona. We are maybe about 100 yards inside Arizona now, and you can see some boondockers over on the other side of where we're at. We're at the Oasis Resort, and so let's see if we can get a little bit. It's still just almost quite sunrise, so I don't know if you can really see much there, but there's our RVers over here at the Oasis. Grace in the background doing some iPhone stuff, and birds are flying by beautifully this morning. They're up here for sunrise services also. So yeah, we're gonna get some drone footage and maybe some nice shots here. And oh, here comes a white egret coming in. I don't know if I can get that. It's kind of a long ways away, but there it is right over on the other side of the shore. I'll maybe get my other camera out. We'll see if we can get something on him. Okay, it might be a snowy egret there actually. He looks like he's looking for his morning breakfast.
On your marks, set, go. You're scary good, and you do it like I want it. Some say you're off the hook, flying faster than a supersonic. Under your hood, there's 1,000 horsepower rocket. Once you start, there's just no way to stop it. You like the chase, so I understand. You're gonna win, 'cause that's in your plan. Well, here is your fate, I know you can't wait. Rev up your engine, boy, and catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. Catch me. You're a maverick. You like untamed trailblazing, and you're super slick with your sneaky devil hell raising. You know all the tricks. Burning up the pavement. Better watch out, 'cause you're not playing. You like the chase, so I understand. And you're gonna win, 'cause that's in your plan. Well, here is your bait, I know you can't wait. So rev up your engine, boy, and catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. can. You're a hot rod, and catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. Come on and catch me, baby. Catch me.
Grace, what time is it?
It is 7:56. I don't know if we're on Arizona time or California.
Yeah, it would be, I believe, Arizona. I think 7:54 or something with sunrise.
Isn't that California over there?
That's California on the other side. That is true. So we don't know if our eye watches are telling the truth. We got fixed the other day. Oh, here comes some birds going by.
Nice rocks for rock painting.
Okay. Grace is in her artistic mode here, looking for, oh yeah, that one might do it.
I like it.
That's a keeper.
Yeah.
Okay, did you make a deposit already, or is this something that is a gratuity?
It's a gratuity.
It's a gratuity, okay. All for one low price. Oh, that is a good one. So what are you planning on making with these rocks? You have a specific design in mind? Because I see they're kind of oblong. You have something going on here?
I'm going to make Paul, George, Ringo, and John.
And who are these people? Are these some of your relatives?
Yep.
The Beatles!
The Beatles.
Princess Ellie. Hey, Princess Ellie. What's going on with you this morning?
I'm getting a voyage view of Never Never Land.
A voyeur's view of Never Ever Ever Land. Whoa. Okay.
I see you.
I see you too. Good morning.
Good morning.
Crossbones. Across the way, we have some boondockers. So I believe we're going to go ahead and pack up and start heading for Quartzsite, Arizona, and it should be a beautiful day the way it is. You know, last year when we were here this time, there was some wind and rain, but that was kind of a fluke. But that's what makes the desert green, so we'll see what we've got in store today. So we're going to head off there and should be there, oh, hopefully before noon. Catch up with all the boys and girls and start getting time for play. We'll see you on the flip side. Bye for now.
Have you been to California? Seen the sights and people there? Walked the streets of sleepy sea towns? Tasted salt